In this video, we will be showing you the best Nvidia filters for Warzone Pacific. For this video, we will be covering a few different filters so you can choose the one that suits you best. Start by opening the Nvidia Game Filter overlay by pressing Alt-Z or your custom keyboard shortcut. Click the Game Filters button. Select one of the filter number profiles to create a new game filter. Click the Add Filter drop menu. Add a brightness and contrast filter. Set the exposure somewhere around 0. If the exposure is set too high, then the sky can interfere with your vision of players. If light sources are too bright, then you can lower the exposure. If light sources are too dim, then increase the exposure. Set the contrast to 5. Set highlights between -50 and -20. Shadows between -30 and -70. Gamma to 0. Choose to add a filter and select Details. Set Sharpen to about 50. Clarity to 21. HDR toning to 15. Bloom to 0. Next, add a color layer. Set the tint color, tint intensity, and temperature all to 0. Increase the vibrance to somewhere between 20 and 80. This will make Warzone more colorful. If you want a full guide on how to see enemies better in Warzone Pacific, then check out the video linked in the description. We cover all of the methods and ways to make Warzone look better. Select another profile to create a new filter. This way you can switch between them all to choose which works best for you. Choose to add a filter, then select the brightness and contrast layer. Set the exposure to 0. Contrast to 3. Highlights to 0. Shadows to around -50. Set the gamma to 0. Add a details filter. Set Sharpen to 12. Clarity to 12. HDR toning between 10 and 30. Then set Bloom to 0. Choose to add a filter. Select the color filter. Set the tint color to 0. The tint intensity to 0. Temperature to -4 or -2. Vibrance between 30 and 80. Having the temperature set below 0 will bring out the blue in some colors and should help make enemies stand out. Select the third filter profile. For the third Warzone game filter, we will be making it a little more subtle, only trying to enhance the natural look of the game to improve visibility. Add a filter. Select Brightness and Contrast. Set the exposure to roughly 0. Contrast to about 10. Set highlights to -5. Shadows to -30. Then set Gamma to 3. Add a details layer. Set Sharpen to 12, then put everything else to 0. You will now have the best Nvidia game filters for Warzone Pacific visibility.